Good morning, Ray. I hope you are having a wonderful day today and that you're ready to begin working on goals 1 and 2. So for today's goal, we are going to continue talking about action verbs and putting the verbs in the past, stating them and changing the sentence to past tense. So here we have two visuals, one talking about past tense and the other one talking about present tense. And we know that the past is something that has already happened. And the present is telling us what is happening right now. We also know that for past tense, sometimes the words might end in ed. However, we know that that's not always the case. And in present, they do not end in ed and are telling us what is happening right now. So for today's worksheet, we're going to continue working on irregular past tense verb sheet. Today we're working on number 4. So if you have this worksheet, please get it out. So for this worksheet, you have 10 sentences to make, to rewrite, in past tense form. So I will be doing one question with you, or one sentence, and you will be doing the rest on your own. So I was going to do number 1, but let's change it up a little. Let me do the one on the right. I will number this number 2. And it says, today I eat. Yesterday I. We're going to put eat is in the present, however, ate is how we say it in the past. So we're going to put ate a bowl of soup. Don't forget to write it in a complete sentence. And now we have a past tense sentence with our present tense sentence. So here it says, today I eat. And then it says, yesterday I ate a bowl of soup. And that is what you are going to be doing for the rest of the scenarios of the sentences, Ray. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me or Mr. Guzman. We are here to help. If not, once you are done with this worksheet, we will continue to work on goal number 2. So for goal number 2, Ray, we are going to continue talking about making inferences and drawing conclusions based on the information of the text we are reading. So we know that making inferences is using clues to figure out what the author is not saying. So we know that we get clues from the story, and then we add it with our knowledge, our background knowledge on things we have either experienced or read about or real world situations, and we add it together, and that makes our inference, or we draw a conclusion. And usually when we draw a conclusion or make inferences, we always start our sentences by saying, I think, I predict, my guess is, or maybe. Because we aren't for sure, but because of what we read and what we know, we think that is the answer. And that is what we are going to be using today for this worksheet. It is called Let's Make Inferences. So if you have this worksheet, please get it out. So in this worksheet, it is called Let's Make Inferences. It says we will need to activate our schema what we already know and use text evidence, which are clues, to answer the question. So we can, let's pretend we are detectives. We are sentence detectives, and we are going to use what we know and find clues on our sentence to see what we are talking about and to answer some questions. So you have 6 questions right here. I will be doing one with you and you will be working on the rest on your own. And number 1 says, Sarah has the day off from school. She puts on her heavy coat, winter coat, and boots. She is going outside to build a snowman. What season is it? So it says Sarah has the day off from school. So we know she doesn't have school. She puts on her heavy coat and boots. When do we put on our heavy coat and boots? Yeah, when it's cold or rainy. She is going to build a snowman. In order to build a snowman, what do we need, Ray? Yes, good job. We need snow. So if it's cold and we need boots and there is snow, what season is it? Is it fall? Is it winter? Is it spring? Or is it summer? Yes, awesome job. It is winter. We know that in the winter it is cold. Sometimes it is rainy. Not really here with us, but in other places there is snow. So the season is winter. Awesome job, Ray. And that is what you are going to do for the rest of the questions. If you have any questions at all, don't forget you can reach out to me. I'm here to help. If not, once you are done, please submit it to Teams, and we will see you here tomorrow for goals 3 and 4. Bye, Ray.